Hello, today I will show you how to check your Samsung device manufacturing date and remaining warranty period. So let's get started. So first start from the home screen, go into settings and scroll down until you see the About Phone tab. Then find the IMEI number and just hold it and copy it. Go into browser and find Unlock Boot IMEI website. And go into the Samsung IMEI checker. Here just paste the IMEI number and go through the CAPTCHA. Then tap into this small arrow, and here you can see your warranty status and device age and the product code, so everything you need. And that's it. Now you know how you can easily check your warranty status and the production date of your Samsung device. So if this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.